Hello Glam Squad, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Gigi, and today we're doing something a little bit different. I have not spoken to you guys face to face in a while, so I thought I would pop my face in here up in the corner and just say hey. As you can see, I've cut my hair. I also got some glasses so I can see my work much better. Let me just give you another quick look at that. There you go. And as you can see in the larger screen, I'm removing my nails, and there is definitely a reason for that. I've got new nails on, which you have seen me do on the channel. But I thought I would just let you guys watch my removal routine real quick. It is just these two nails, but I'm just gonna go ahead and remove those real quickly while I talk to you about why I'm removing them. Why I'm removing them is that I have experienced a change with this product that was unexpected, honestly. Prior to this, and I know I've mentioned this already, this was my favorite builder gel. It's a hard gel, so you can't soak it off. You do have to file it. But it had the perfect bounciness and the perfect, you know, if you do hard gel, you know, when you lay the ball of gel on your nail, it's just bouncy and it flows, right? But it doesn't flow too fast. It goes where you put your slip layer, and it makes it so much easier to work with. It just goes where you want it to. You can hold it upside down. But a good gel doesn't run too much, and I'm definitely experiencing running with this gel and having it take so long to cure. It's taking a full 2 minutes to cure. I was really disappointed in how it worked. I'm really sad about it. Okay, so what I thought I would do is just, I just purchased some new Savilant, and so I thought what I would do is go ahead and just do a side-by-side comparison. All right, guys, I've just gone ahead and switched up the screens. We are continuing the removal process in the corner, and now I'm just going to go ahead and play with the gel real quick. I'm starting with the Morovan, and we are coming in and doing a quick slip layer. I put a little too much down, but that's okay. I'm going to go ahead and rectify that. I do want this gel to succeed. Guys, I do. I really do. I'm sad that it's not working because I really like products that I can depend on. And I really thought I had found one with this. I do want to mention that when I went and cured this, it cured quicker than I had experienced when I did it on myself. I'm not sure what the difference there was, if it's an opacity problem with the forms and my fingertip or what, but I still had a lot of running, but not as much as I expected because it did cure a little faster than I had anticipated. Now I'm getting the gel ready for the next nail, and we're going to use the Savilant, but you can see just in the 15 seconds that it took me to get this gel, look at how much it's bowed out on the side. That is really fast running. You expect any gel to run over time, and given enough time to completely run all the way off the nail. But in the few seconds that it's taken me to do this nail, look at how bowed out that is already. It should not be that fat on the side. It is not taking me very long to get this other nail built. I could have spent a little more time with the structure on this one, but I wanted to just get them in the lamp so that you could see how the gel runs. Now I am going to hold it for a second here so we can also give the Savilant a chance to settle and run if it's going to, but you can see that it's not. It's just sitting where I've left it, and it's not bowing out at all. You can see that it is much slimmer. I'm sorry, I'm a little hidden there, but here's a nice picture of them both together after they've been cured. And you can see that the Savilant has stayed exactly where I put it. But the Morovan, that's going to take a lot of filing to clean up the sides. And I think that's where the lifting starts, because if you're over filing, you are going to get lifting. And so that's a problem. That's just going to be a problem. So if you're super fast and you can keep coming in and out of the lamp to hold it upside down, then maybe the Morovan would work for you. But for me, that seems like too much hassle. Okay, now that we've done playing with that, I want to talk about this Creation stick-on gem adhesive. I am really pleased. These have been on for about 10 days and they have not come off. These have been on about a week and I've not lost any. Creation stick-on really has stuck it on. So updates to come. All right, Glam Squad, those are my thoughts on the Morovan gel. Let me know what you think of it in the comment section below. I'm gonna see you next week for some more cool videos. Until then, bye-bye. Wow, I hate this video so much.